So hippos, one, they live in a group named a school. Not a school head by headmistress. This one is headed by a dominating hippo. And hippos graze, they only eat grass. Yes. So it doesn't matter either you go for pork or you go for fish fillet, you will grow fat. That's why the hippo is fat. It eats grass, which is very healthy. So that grass, we shall get it in the fish. The tilapia you're eating. Because fish, where schools of hippos live, schools of fish converge there because they are feeding on what? The hippo poo. Yeah. So the other part of it is dangerous to humans because fishermen invade them in their territories. And you know, a hippo is so defensive. It defends a lot its territory. Whoever reaches there is an enemy. Whereby a hippo does not even wish a newborn to be a male. Because he knows that male will grow up and wish to overthrow his what? His territory, take over his territory. So hippos fight, they fight to kill. In fact, the loser is preferred to be a dead one. So if one survives those deep cuts, being kicked out of the school, he will have no choice. He has to start living such kind of life. So he's there, he could be having a deep cut or a deep wound that is wishing not to be in the deep waters. So he'll just come and find such a seasonal place just to keep his body cool. Yes. These ditches, this area, when it rains, water floods here. So some of these ditches are created by elephants. Pumba, the warthog, can also create it. It will be smaller, but as the water keeps getting into that ditch, as they continue wallowing, they will be going away with the mud, and then the ditch continues expanding. So hippos live a long lifespan, which is 40 to 50 years. Wow. The biggest can weigh up to 3 tons, 3,000 kilograms. And they can hold their breath for 5 minutes. Underwater, not breathing for 5 minutes. Okay. Anything more you need to know about hippos? They get enemies. Majorly human beings are the first enemy. Like us here. The biggest enemy is a human being because people eat them. People meat. And then of course the other part is the lions, but lions go for young ones. Yes. By the way, Queen Elizabeth National Park has the highest population, I can say, in the world. We have 5,000 hippos.
Wow. What's their gestation?
Gestation is 8 months, and they give birth to one calf.
Okay.
So it's a cow, a bull, and a calf.
What happens if it's a male calf?
So they are now lonely.
The mother keeps him out of the school, raise him up until he knows that it has gained knowledge to know that the dominant is against it. The dominant is
Another question about people. Sometimes you get them sweating.
Sweating. When it is out on the sun. You know their skin is not supposed to be in a hot.
So they are aquatic animals.
So they have to be in deep water. They do what?
About the liquid that is secreted in their skin.
Blood.
What you're talking about is come out of their skin.
Yes, I've ever seen that. Because when you see them in a hot day, you see it's glittering. There's some sort of sweat on here.
So these have been to Kazinga Channel.
So they traveled from Kazinga to here.
It can be from Lake George here. Lake George is not far from here.
Whoa. Check that. Thing is huge.
So when they kill human beings, excuse me, when they kill human beings,
so they can't go back to the channel.
They just leave the corpse there. They don't eat it.
Yeah, hippos kill people not because Not for fun. You kill somebody for fun. Why are those dead for
Adventure.
display that these ones were killed for fun? No fun in killing.
Leopards do that.